In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the slow motion effect on your videos with InShot. Now, inside of InShot, I have this video clip of this guy surfing, and mind you, this is filmed at 60 frames per second. If possible, you want to make sure your phone or camera is set to 60 frames per second or higher, as it's going to give you the best slow motion. However, if that's not the case, there is still hope. We can still slow this down. It's just 60 frames per second is going to give you the best look for slow motion. But what we're going to do is we're going to select our video clip here, and we're going to scroll over to the speed option here. We're going to click on this, and then we're going to click on curve. And in here, we're going to be able to do that cool slow motion effect. Now to start, I'm going to move my white line over these blue bumps. These are like the marker points that are going to let us slow down our footage. So I'm just going to knock some of these off. And what we want to do is scroll this white line up to the point where we want it to slow down. So maybe right here, like right when he is about to pop out, I want to slow it down. So maybe like right here. And so what I'm going to do is click the plus button here. And this is going to put a marker point, and it's telling the video editor that at this point, the speed has to be at normal speed. And then directly after it, we're going to move the white line. And here we're going to place another one, and we're going to drag this bump down. And you can see there's the speed. Because this was 60 frames per second, I'm right now going to just set it to probably like 40 is probably a good amount. So we're dropping down to 0.4. We're going to scroll ahead a bit. And then right where we want it to speed up, and place another marking point here. Drag this down to 40 as well. And then a little bit after that, place another point and raising this back to 1x speed. And so what we've done is we've created normal speed, drop down to slow motion, and then pop back up to normal speed. And so what we get when we click play is something like this. And goes into slow motion and goes back to speeding up. Now, also depending which version of InShot you have, there is this smooth button down here, probably for like the pro users. If you do click this, what it'll actually do is add more frames digitally and help sell a more convincing smooth effect. So if you do film at 30 frames per second, you can actually turn this on and click the check mark, and it'll go through and really enhance the video and kind of give it that ultra smooth effect. So if I click play here, you'll notice now it looks really, really nice, like it was shot at a much higher frame rate when really it wasn't. And if you want to learn even more cool effects that you can do inside of InShot, definitely check out this playlist here. I go through all my different effects to help you become a better editor, so definitely click over here.